What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I want to show you how I crafted a beat using PlayBox, as well as some other cool things inside of this cool complete instrument. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video, which is PlayBox. So let me go ahead and open up PlayBox here. And as you can see on the screen, at first it looks very intimidating, but it's actually very intuitive once you start to use it. The more you use it, the more you're gonna get used to it. So basically it's broken down into 3 different sections here. You have your chords, samples, and then the effects. The thing I like about PlayBox and what I found out is quickly customizable. So you can basically drag and drop your own sounds, MIDI files, what have you, throw it all in PlayBox and create something very unique. So let me go ahead and show you how I use PlayBox right out the box here. All right, so I pulled up this preset called Cute Piano, and then I just hit the random dice button down here and I came up with this right here. So I'm gonna be using Maschine Studio to control my chords here. So I have it in keyboard mode, set it to major, and so now I'm able to do 8 pads across here. And if I don't want it strumming, I can just simply turn off the effects here, and then I have this here. So that's already another beat right there, but let me go ahead and keep this on and show you what I can do with this cute piano here. So I have Maschine, I'm gonna go ahead and X out this so I can go to my piano grid, and we're gonna go ahead and just record something real quick here. So I already have my pattern, so I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the drums here, and I can go ahead and label this if I want to. Call that drums. I'm gonna call this the instruments here. And then I think this one is gonna be my 808, so let me go ahead and move this over, type in 808. Oops, 808. And then now we have this here, some drum sounds. So let me go ahead and program the beat. Throw on that snare. Quantize that. Throw on the hi-hat. I like to use note repeat for the hi-hat. And then I have another hi-hat here as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and quantize this here. And I'm just gonna add some bounce. quantize this as well. Now I'll go ahead and add my 808 in here. Make sure it's in keyboard mode. Let's go ahead and drop that in there. So as you can see, it's really easy to create a beat using the PlayBox. Let me go ahead and show you something else as well. Let me go ahead and start something brand new here. Create another scene. I'm just gonna call this 2. We'll go ahead and load another instance of PlayBox here. Gonna come over here to PlayBox and let's just load something super random here and pull it on the screen for you here. So again, this is what I pretty much started out with. And just by hitting this random samples button, the dice here, you just pretty much find the sound that you want. So you can halftime it. And then you have this little ball here, which is on the X and Y axis. You can just move this around. You can change the reverb, strum octave, drive, tape. Also have a bit crusher. So this is real cool. You can change the octaves, you can change the key. Come over here to effects here. You have choral, shaper, tape, charge, reverb, limiter, and then the strum, of course. You can turn this off and on. And I showed you that already. And then you have your envelope controls, and then there's so much you can do with just this alone. So imagine if you wanted to import your samples, you can create a whole texture of new sounds and just music just by using something so simple like PlayBox here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to another preset here. And let's just say, for example, I don't like the chords here and I just wanna build my own chords. So what I can do, I can come over to chords here and I'm just gonna go ahead and hit this erase marker here. I'm just gonna clear everything. So now everything is just completely clean. And let me go ahead and turn off my effects here. And we're gonna audition. So this is the regular piano here. So let me say, for example, I want to import my own chords. What I can do, I can cheat using something inside a Maschine Studio with the chords and scales. So let's just say, for example, I want to use chord mode here. Let's just say I want to use those simple chords there. So I can hit this button here. So now that's already recorded right there. So I'm gonna go back to my regular major chords here. And I'm just gonna simply so that's gonna be my new pattern there. So I can just go ahead and adjust this here. And I can roll the dice again here. So that could be a whole nother beat right there. So that is pretty much PlayBox right there. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. And we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we out.